Alright, let me let this be known with this, because I seen all types of different videos online about getting these damn cylinder heads on the threads fixed, and they was telling different bits and all that stuff like what I got in my hand now to use. I'm gonna tell y'all right now. Somebody say start out with the 2764, which I did, and trying to put these time inserts down in the hole is not even happening. What I found out, these time inserts is 10 millimeter by 1.5. So what you're gonna have to do is get you because if you look on here, the 24, come on, get in, focus. All right, 2764. You can see it's a 10 millimeter by 7. These inserts, like I said, are 10 millimeters on the inside. Outside is 12. Okay? The outside thread, the diameter is 12. So what you're gonna have to do is get you this daggone 7/16. Focus. 7/16, that's 11 millimeter by 1. And the reason I'm telling you is for the simple fact that I use a 1532 for these holes up here. So the daggone thread inserts, and let me go get, I don't feel like getting a little bit piece. The top piece, the top to make the threads. It says use a 12 millimeter by 1.5 thread pitch. Let me tell y'all one thing. That's bullshit. And the reason I'm telling you is bullshit is because I already been there, done it, tried it. It will not fucking work. What you gonna have to do is, hold up, let me grab this stuff. Alright. What you're gonna have to do is, this is the tap right here that they say use, which is supposed to be, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to get it because of my light on my camera. You see it's a M12.5 on it. 1.5 is your thread pitch. You need the thread pitch because that's the way the thread pitch is on there. 1.5. What I did was I already did Camry years back where I had to use tap and die. What I used on that was a 2964 bit. Come on, thing. Why do you keep on getting out of focus? So I already had this tap. This tap right here is M11 by 1.5. Like I said, they say drill these holes out with a 2764 bit. With the drill bit, and in 2764, which I doubt is going to let you do it, you're going to have to move up to that 7/16. 7/16 going to make the hole big enough for you to get this M11 by 1.5. You got to use the 1.5. You can't use this 12 by 1.5. It's not going to let you put it in there. And plus, I tried it over here on these two holes. it just enlarged them. So what I'm gonna have to do to make up for this mistake is I'm gonna have to, when I put the inserts in, I'm gonna have to put some JB Weld in it to make sure that it stay in there stuck. They won't come back out. You'll have to drill these suckers out, just like what you had to do with these now. So just letting y'all know, use, start out with 2764 drill bit. If the inserts, or actually not the inserts but the tap, if the taps on these two taps, you're gonna have to use the 11, like I said, the M11 by 1.5. Get that tap. Don't try to use the M12 because you're gonna end up making the hole bigger. And listening to the other people on YouTube on doing this, see, they got different procedures on how they doing theirs. I'm learning the hard way because I thought their procedures was right. And it goes to show you, everybody on YouTube don't always know what they doing or talking about. So this been a learning experience, but I got it right now, so that's why I'm letting y'all know now. You might end up with the 7/16 bit, so you can go ahead and make the hole large enough so you can go ahead and use the M11 by 1.5 and put your threads in there and insert the inserts. But make sure that you get you a little I forgot, chamfering tool, so you can be able to recess this insert, because it's got like a little lip right around here. So you want that to get recessed down in there. You don't want it sitting up above. So, alright, I think I talked enough on that. But I wanted to let this be known because that's crazy on how they say do it one way, and then when you get into this thing, it's totally different. So, thread repair on a BMW M5 2002. Alright.